Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? As we begin Wednesday's trading, we notice that the Dow trend is falling 13% versus 19% the previous day. Dow momentum unchanged at 39%. Dow volatility rising 1.58% versus 1.49% the previous day. Dow 50-day net change falling plus 26 from plus 64. Let's take a look at what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is unchanged at negative 4%. Institutional money flow rising 30% from 29% the previous day. Institutional demand rising 45% from 43.1%. Institutional inventory falling 32.9% from 33.9%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend rose to a negative 16% versus negative 20% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed Tuesday negative 270%, below its current falling 21-day moving average as opposed to negative 2.95% the previous day. The Dow trend moved lower to 13 from 19. This is not good. A move to 13 or below is now in oversold territory, and a rise in the stock market is imminent. The Dow outlook moved lower, however, to 29 from 31, and is in the same oversold condition. The Dow 50-day net change remains neutral at a reading of plus 26. The Dow still has the probability of a summer rally. Should the FOMC meeting coming up on the 24th and 25th raise rates and supports the dollar more aggressively, that will be a catalyst to move the market higher. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's move on to the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. As we begin today's trading, we notice that the Dow outlook is bearish, falling 29% versus 31% the previous day. Stock market outlook is bullish yet falling 63.5% versus 67.1% the previous day. The Dow has a probability of closing up Wednesday of only 35%, which matches what our DIA Diamonds has a probability of closing up Wednesday of 35% as well. Well, as we review our next day's advanced market decisions, trading ideas from the night before, we noticed that our $1 million account, which began trading on December 17th, 2007, has an account value now of $1,273,529, representing a change of a plus 1,263 on the day. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, MktMetrics.com. Check out our blog. You can access that beneath the video webcast, which you're looking at today. Well, in the meantime, I'm late in trading. You might be too, so we better get to work.